Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are discussing something about Ph.D. and M.Phil writing the proposals. First, when you enter in the sphere of Ph.D. or M.Phil, you will have to write a research proposal, and there are some step-by-step issues you will have to face and to write a good proposal. Here are some answers to write some good proposals for your M.Phil or Ph.D. Let's start our video from writing the proposals, writing strategy and ethical consideration. Before designing a proposal, it's important to consider how to write it. The first thing, how to write it. These considerations should include which topic will convey the best argument for the need and quality of study. Now it's the best time to adopt writing practices that will ensure a consistent and highly readable proposal and research project. It's also timely to anticipate the ethical issues that will surface during the study and to incorporate good practices into research proposals. It is helpful to consider the topic that will go into a proposal. All the topics need to be interrelated, and they provide cohesive picture of the entire proposed project. An outline of topic will be helpful, but the topic will differ depending on whether the proposal is for qualitative, quantitative or mixed method study. Overall, there are central arguments that frame any proposal. They are introduced as 9 central arguments by Maxwell 1996. They have been posed here as question to be addressed in a scholarly purpose. Question here: what do we need to better understand your topic? What do we know little about in terms of your topic? What do you propose to study? What are the setting and the people you will study? What method do you plan to use to provide data? And how will you analyze the data? How will you validate your finding? What ethical issue will your study present? What do preliminary results show about the practicability and value of the proposed study? The 9 questions adequately addressed in one section for each question constitute the foundation for good research, and they could provide the overall structure of a proposal, the inclusion of validating finding, ethical consideration, the need for preliminary result, and early evidence of the practical significance of the proposed study. Focuses the reader attention on key elements often overlooked in a discussion about the proposed topic. Thank you so much to listen and watch the video.